So Franco, thank you for joining us today for this interview. Why don't you, for the viewer's sake, tell us a little bit about the project that you're trying to get approved here.
I'm very grateful to be represented by the Pacific Legal Foundation, and thankful to you, first of all. I feel confident I have the best team, and our project is it's our American dream. It's been a long journey. It's been 10 years. We went through the channel. We worked with local planners. And finally, a couple of years ago, we got the approval. We meet all the requirements. We follow every ordinance, every law. And at this point, when the Coastal Commission got involved, and last week we got the setback with the local courts. But I'm very confident. We're again with the Pacific Legal Foundation. On our side, eventually we can prevail. And I'd like to express my thanks to all the donors to the continued support and make us believe there is a light at the end of the tunnel.
So you referred a second ago to the setback that you had at the trial court level, where the court essentially dismissed the case as being premature, and you mentioned that you were going to continue to fight. Can you elaborate a little more what the next step is going to be and why you decided to take that step?
Well, I think that this is going to set a precedent not only for our family but for other people in the coastal area. They think they have a jurisdiction. We disagree, of course. And the reason is, like I said, we got the approval by the county, and this is a local decision. It's not the Coastal Commission business. So we feel confident again that we have a strong case, and eventually I think the justice is going to be on our side.
And can you describe a little bit what the Coastal Commission's interference with your project, its unlawful assertion of jurisdiction, has done to you and your family? What kind of a toll has it taken, emotionally or otherwise?
Well, it's involved economics, it's financial. It's going to be a hardship to continue. Again, without the PLF, we would have been on the side. We didn't have the resource to continue this fight. The fact is, they don't have a jurisdiction. We were told for years, for 12 years, even before we bought the property, it was out of the Coastal Commission jurisdiction. So this is about technicality, and I don't think it's acceptable. We feel very strong. We have the right, and we continue to fight. And I want to thank you, Paul. I think you are the best person, and I'm very grateful to you and to the PLF, and of course to the donors.
So you got final approval from the county of San Luis Obispo.
That's right.
And they said you can go ahead with your family-run motel and your 4 townhomes for the children. And at that point, the Coastal Commission came in and wanted to allow an appeal of that project to itself.
Yes. In one word, for many years we believe that was not appealable to the Coastal Commission. They have no jurisdiction, but they decided they do. So we went to the local court process, and unfortunately we got a setback. So our other option is to appeal, and we feel very confident we have a reason to believe eventually we will be justice will be served. And
on this question of appealability, did the county take a position one way or the other?
Yes, the county took a strong position that this project is not appealable. They did three occasions, the person at the county, Nancy Horton, she did a great job telling the Coastal Commission this is not appealable. But unfortunate, the Coastal thinks they are. So in one word, what this has come about is for us to start over. And it just don't make any sense. First of all, it would be expensive to hire a consultant and to start it all over again. It'd be years before this gets resolved. It don't make any sense. And so that our option is to appeal. And I do believe, I'm very confident with you, Paul, eventually we'll prevail.
For more PLF videos, visit our YouTube channel.